critical points which were indicated against subtraction and so on and so on. Because when you, Kostas, when you mentioned Greek, I remember, I think it was 2 years or a year ago, it doesn't matter. I was at a debate across the street, as it were, with Kalinikos and I think John Holloway, the guy who thinks if you ignore the state and don't look at it, it will disappear, basically. And he told, I mean, I couldn't believe it. His impression, he told me it was so wonderful. Communism is beginning in Athens. I told, okay, where? He said, you know, people occupied a square and proclaim it, this is communist space. Capitalism is forbidden to enter it, space of freedom, and I said, if I were to be a capitalist, I would fully support this idea, you know.
That's a hippie thing, that has nothing to do with what...
No, precisely, that's my point. No, don't misunderstand me. I'm saying nonetheless that this subtractive approach, let's call it, that this, you know, let's just build our small space, has clear limitations. And here I'm also ready to be quite critical. For example, what I already mentioned in my class, but I would like to repeat it, because then I'm waiting for the violent response, he will be furious, from Alain Badiou. You know, when we hear of this, you know, this bombastic way of speaking, not you, I mean the other guy across the channel, not you, this, you know, axiom of equality against roots, you know, it's not as simple as that if you want to be realist. For example, in France, Alain Badiou, and it's courageous what he's doing, likes to use this term to fight Le Pen and others anti-immigrant populist movements. You know, it's great, it sounds nice. Qui est ici est d'ici. Those who are here are from here. So don't bullshit me with origins, original roots, and so on, you know. There is one problem. I learned this a week ago when I came from Palestine and Israel. This is the great motto of Jewish settlers on the West Bank, you know. Like, we are here, we are from here, you know. So, you know, like, you know what I mean? These abstract formulas sound very nice. If you listen to these radical Democrats, now I mean in the ironic sense, precisely the way you indicated, those who move in this abstract political space, equality, blah, blah, and forget about economy. You get sooner or later, I think, into this beautiful soul deadlock, where, you know, this is for me typical French and with others beautiful soul position. You say, anti-immigrant movements, horror. Everyone that's here should be here and